Alright guys, we're about to get off the boat and head over to the property.
Huh? No.
Hello.
Please subscribe Wallace Family Vlog.
Hi everyone.
Ma, pa, naala ko sa TV. Kuhaan ako ninyo. Ano ang takaba?
Alright, we're off the boat now. Heading. A lot of people coming on. A lot of people waiting to get on.
Nag-stick ka na. There's no time zone here.
See all these people waiting to get in. All these people. They're gonna go right there, get a ticket, and they're gonna go in. Very cheap to cross. I guess they're waiting on, what are we waiting on, taxi?
No, we're waiting for the van that will pick us up here.
Oh, okay.
Oh, no. Bye-bye. Ikan pa magud may og kuan diri sa Pearl Farm. Yung umday, wa man ko kabalong na adi
Biyahe na niya, boss.
Come on, sir.
Still walking. Right here. Get over, get over.
lagi kapoy na yung nagbuhat nato.
Ay, sa front mo.
Tuyok na daw. Tuyok ko dahil eh. Nagkakinalan. Nagkakinalan.
Correct. Should lang.
Mangga o ba? Mangga kay Banching Pura. Malitaw niya. Maligid big saging, Andy. Ano yung warehouse, oh? Ay, Shan, this is a warehouse.
Ano mong proudly mo?
Buy a grocery there, like that.
They're working, they're fixing that?
Yeah.
That's already
Wow.
up.
You want to...
Di ba naamay diri bingo na farm na nagakuan sila?
Fruits and vegetables.
Yan, hindi ka pwede magdala og mango gikan sa Davao. Padulong diri kay bawal na. Go, did you friend the goat na?
Come on. So we're off the barge now. I don't know where we're going. I have no clue.
Ay, taxi, ma'am, oh.
I'm just following the leader.
Okay din na niya. Ay, may tao.
Looks like we're trying to find a taxi.
Ano na nasa louder?
Okay pa ba, ma'am?
I am good.
Where's the luggage, ma'am? Uy.
Sabi yan.
Uy, sit! Who's that? Don't get further with us. Stay with us close. Don't run over here. It's dangerous.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Saan naman?
Marang.
Ay, dala.
Ah, biyahe, ma'am.
Davao.
Davao lang. Sige, di.
Kaya kung sunan. Ma'am, ako ang luggage. Ablihan. Ako
Sige lang, ya.
Yeah.
Salamat kayo, sir, ha?
Yeah, thank you.
Balik ka mo, Mika, sir. Balik ka mo, sir. Sir, upadayon sa nana ni Dire. Balik ka mo, mama. Oo, yan na tayo. Okay, we're going to get a taxi. Kailangan din natin parada sa Pilipinas. Oh, na? Oh, pwede ka? Ay, yaya naman siya.
We're going there?
Yeah, he's going back up.
Okay. Guys, we had another restaurant with our friends. Hello. Hi.
Uy, padulong. Ang yung padulong abot. Nag-jeep ra mo siya.
Oo, nag-jeep na siya.
Tara, una na.
Wala ako laing bag. Ano may duhara ang bag niya? Upat ka buo. Ako lang ako.
Hello.
Hi, good
Hi.
evening. Guys, wala mo lang mo pang ano, pang... Ay, ano man, kailang coastal, ano ba na?
So we're at a restaurant now,
Ano lang, coastal.
meeting up with our friends.
Private.
We already have the food set up. Yeah.
Private, ano ba? Mag-taxi? Ay, bawal ang mag-taxi. Kung bakit sa clinic, dapat tayo sa clinic.
Ay, kailangan na kayo sa
All right, guys, she's going to explain all the dishes we have here. Okay.
Hello sir, mabuhay madayao. This is we're here in Balagos Homegrown Matina Playa. This is a rice of Java rice.
Java
with,
rice.
Yes sir, with Java oil. And this is a chicken binakol with coconut juice and coconut inside the coconut. Okay. And this is Malagos pork humba with dark chocolate Malagos. And this is plain fried chicken wings. Yes. And this is tuna kinilaw.
Wow, that's my favorite.
Yes, sir. And this is pork sinigang. And this is chicken barbecue wings. And they have bulalo.
Bulalo.
Yes.
Beef, bulalo.
Beef bulalo.
And that's rice.
Plain rice.
This is garlic.
life na siya.
Rice is life.
Okay.
Okay, thank you. Thank you.
Pakulog na po. Makulog sa exo. Mura ko crying na. Sunod na. Pinaka
Lunches. Yes. Thank you. See, I told you people in the Philippines can sing. The guy has an excellent voice and he's young.
It's not enough that you love me for me. You reach inside and touch me eternally. Here, mga special greetings sa Miss Anthony, mamalihog ng kasama mga gwapo-gwapo na
Airport?
staff sa Malagos po.
Check up last, kaiyahan.
When you reach the bottom, it's now or never. It's zero. We just friends. This is how we end.
Come on.
You're done.